Ikaw at ako. Yeah, very nice. Ikaw at ako. Tama, true. Yung iba nga half naked pa, di ba? Anong pinagagawa? Truth. Ako nga sando nga lang, tapos I do something na restrict. Thank you, Kian. Thank you so much. Yan, text na tayo. Before tayo here, I'm with my parents. They're sleeping already. Thank you for joining, guys. Sinong nandito, you're 10 years alive. Say hi. Do follow, please. Salamat. I do content, cooking content, and I added that before puro lifestyle and travel lang. Now we're adding cooking content. Yeah, they're here. Tulog na sila. So pwede akong mag-ingay. Joke. Who's that? Thank you for joining. Who's that? Ten pa kayo eh. Nakakahiya naman if iwan ko kayo dito. Sinong mga nandito?